Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Today's seminar topic is vehicle speed estimation using the image processing. Myself, B. Lingraj, under the guidance of Rajeshwari R.P. Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, ROMSC. Main contents of the seminar is introduction to research area, introduction to research topic, features, applications, and literature survey, and vehicle speed detection algorithm, image blurring and image segmentation, conclusion of review paper and references. First of all, introduction to research area. Our researching area is vehicle speed estimation using the image processing. The main aim of this research area is which is necessary for traffic surveillance system. These systems are very much useful to monitor and manage various traffic conditions such as traffic management, prevention of accident, and also secure transportation. In speed determination, vehicle detection and vehicle tracking are the key. Determination using the image processing is done with Python language and OpenCV library. The proposed method consists of few basic steps, and these are background subtraction, feature extraction, and vehicle tracking, etc. And the speed is determined using the distance traveled by the vehicle over a number of frames and the frame rate. And nowadays, with the continuous increase of vehicle in the road, traffic management authority requires better surveillance system with more vehicles. The number of accidents on the road rises up each and every year. Uh, Now, speed is the biggest cause of road accident. Enforcing speed limit is the one of the way to eliminate the speed related accidents. And the traffic surveillance system for vehicle detection and speed measurement play an important role in enforcing the speed limits. And image processing is convenient technique to analyze the videos and extract the information. And the features of this vehicle speed estimation is primary purpose of this work is to determine the vehicle speed and the other object like trees and pedestrians, etc. Need to avoid while processing. This can be possible by defining a minimum area to be detected and countered. Counter is defined using the function cv2 dot find counter. This function also helps to provide a center of the counter area, and improving the vehicle tracking rate and the speed estimation in dusty and the snowy weather condition with vibrating cameras. Uh, and the applications of this vehicle speed estimations are it is a motion based recognition and automated surveillance. Also it is used in the traffic signals, and it can be used as a human computer interactions, also traffic monitoring and video indexing and vehicle navigation systems. Also the main purpose of this speed detection vehicle estimation is speed detection. And the literature survey, the first paper of the paper Journal of Advanced Research Area in Applied Mechanics, authored by Fatima Afia, published in the year of 2018. This paper, conclusion of this paper is how to find a speed of a vehicle using the image processing. And the Technical Research Organization India, this paper has been published in the 2018 of author of Mangala AG and Dr. Balasubramanya. In this paper, they have been discussed continuous increase of vehicles in the road, and the Traffic Management Authority requires better traffic surveillance system. And this is the algorithm of vehicle speed detection. It is first one is capture frame, and then the perspective transformation. After that, gray cycle conversion, then Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur means it's a Gaussian formula. Is g of x comma y equals to 1 by pi sigma square and e power minus x square plus y square divided by 2 sigma square. It is done with the function CV2 Gaussian blur. After that, the background subtraction, and then it will goes to first frame. Then copy that image. After that, it will build the average scene image by accumulating this frame with the existing averages. Then compute the difference between the current frame and the already existing the average. Then the thresholding, after that morphological transformation. After that, it will provides the processed frame. Then image blurring and image segmentation. Image blurring is used to it is used for removing the noise and edges in the video, then which is achieved by convolving the image with low pass filter. Among all the filtering methods offered in the OpenCV, Gaussian filter has been used here. I have told about the Gaussian filter before. It uses the Gaussian function for calculating the transformation to apply to each pixel in the image. After that, image segmentation is a major step image processing to detect the vehicles, and it helps to extract the from static background. For proposed method, a widely used technique for detecting the moving object from a video called the background subtraction, and it is done with the CV2 Gaussian blur. Then the conclusion of this vehicle speed estimation is this it will use the review on vehicle speed detection technique using the different approaches. Different approaches are like edge extraction and object tracking motion vector technique, also an absolute and centroid method, and the background image subtraction. This process is done by MATLAB. By using any of these methods, traffic can be controlled and vehicle speed detection will be maintained. Thank you, ma'am.